Watermelon. The name alone evokes images of sunny picnics and refreshing treats. This vibrant fruit, with its striking green rind and juicy red flesh, is synonymous with summer. Whether you're at a family barbecue, a beach outing, or just lounging in your backyard, watermelon is a staple that brings joy and refreshment to any occasion. We all love watermelon for its sweet, juicy flavor. But did you know this summertime favorite is also a powerhouse of nutrients? Yes, beyond its delightful taste, watermelon is packed with health benefits that make it a must-have in your diet. It's not just a treat for your taste buds, it's a treat for your entire body. That's right, watermelon is not just delicious, it's incredibly good for you too. This fruit is about 92% water, making it an excellent choice for staying hydrated during those hot summer days. But hydration is just the beginning of what watermelon has to offer. From boosting your immune system to keeping you hydrated, watermelon offers a wide range of health benefits. It contains vitamins A, B6, and C, which are essential for maintaining good health. Vitamin A is crucial for eye health. Vitamin B6 supports brain function, and vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. It's low in calories and packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for overall well-being. Watermelon also contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that has been linked to heart health and cancer prevention. Lycopene gives watermelon its red color and is more abundant in watermelon than in any other fresh fruit or vegetable. So the next time you bite into a slice of watermelon, remember you're not just indulging in a tasty treat, but also nourishing your body with a wealth of healthy goodness. Whether you enjoy it as a snack, in a salad, or as a refreshing juice, watermelon is a versatile fruit that can be enjoyed in many ways. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the amazing health benefits of this summer fruit. We'll explore more about how watermelon can improve your health, share some delicious recipes, and give you tips on how to pick the perfect watermelon every time. So, grab a slice, sit back, and let's celebrate this incredible fruit together. Watermelon is a nutritional superstar. This juicy fruit is not only refreshing but also packed with a variety of nutrients that contribute to overall health. From vitamins to antioxidants, watermelon offers a plethora of benefits that make it a must-have in your diet. It's bursting with essential vitamins and minerals that our bodies need to thrive. For instance, it contains vitamin C, which is crucial for the growth and repair of tissues in all parts of your body. This vitamin also helps in the absorption of iron from plant-based foods, boosting your immune system. One of the most notable nutrients is vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect our cells from damage. But that's not all. Watermelon also provides vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy vision and skin. This vitamin plays a critical role in cell growth and immune function. Watermelon is also a good source of vitamin A, which is important for healthy vision. This vitamin helps maintain the health of your eyes and can improve your ability to see in low light conditions. Additionally, vitamin A supports the immune system and helps your heart, lungs, and kidneys function properly. And let's not forget about potassium, an electrolyte that helps regulate blood pressure. Potassium is vital for heart health and plays a key role in muscle function and nerve signals. Consuming enough potassium can help reduce the risk of stroke and prevent muscle cramps. And let's not forget about lycopene, a potent antioxidant that gives watermelon its vibrant red color. Lycopene has been extensively studied for its potential health benefits, including its ability to reduce the risk of chronic diseases. This antioxidant is known for its role in protecting cells from damage and reducing inflammation. Lycopene has been linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and certain types of cancer. Studies have shown that a diet rich in lycopene can help lower the risk of prostate cancer and may also protect against other types of cancer. Additionally, lycopene supports heart health by improving blood vessel function and reducing LDL cholesterol levels. With this impressive nutrient profile, it's no wonder watermelon is considered a health booster. Whether you enjoy it as a refreshing snack, a hydrating drink, or a delicious addition to your meals, watermelon is a versatile fruit that can enhance your diet and support your overall well-being. So next time you reach for a snack, consider the many benefits of watermelon and make it a part of your healthy lifestyle. Let's talk about how these nutrients work their magic in our bodies. Watermelon is not just a refreshing summer treat, it's packed with essential nutrients that can significantly benefit our health. We all know how important it is to have a strong immune system, especially during flu season. But did you know that maintaining a robust immune system is a year-round task? Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep are crucial, but so is the intake of specific nutrients. Well, the vitamin C in watermelon plays a crucial role in boosting our immune function. This powerful antioxidant helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting infections. Antioxidants like vitamin C and lycopene are our body's defense system against free radicals. Lycopene, which gives watermelon its red color, is particularly effective in reducing inflammation and preventing cell damage. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage our cells and contribute to aging and diseases. They are produced naturally in our bodies but can be increased by external factors like pollution, smoking, and radiation. Antioxidants neutralize these harmful molecules, protecting our cells from damage. By scavenging these free radicals, antioxidants help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. By including watermelon in our diet, we're giving our bodies an extra dose of antioxidants to fight off free radicals and stay healthy. So next time you enjoy a slice of watermelon, remember that you're not just satisfying your taste buds, but also fortifying your body's natural defenses. Watermelon is also hydrating, which is essential for maintaining overall health. Staying hydrated helps with digestion, circulation, and even skin health. The high water content in watermelon makes it an excellent choice for keeping hydrated, especially during hot summer days. Additionally, watermelon contains other vital nutrients like vitamin A, which is important for eye health, and potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. These nutrients work together to support various bodily functions, making watermelon a superfood worth including in your diet. So, whether you're enjoying it as a snack, in a salad, or as a refreshing juice, watermelon offers a multitude of health benefits. Make it a regular part of your diet and experience the positive impact it can have on your overall well-being. Staying hydrated is essential for our overall health, and watermelon makes it incredibly easy and delicious. With its high water content, over 90%, watermelon is a natural thirst quencher. But it's not just about the water content. Watermelon also contains electrolytes like potassium, which are lost through sweat, especially during exercise. Replenishing electrolytes is crucial for maintaining proper fluid balance and preventing dehydration. So, next time you finish a workout, reach for a slice of watermelon. It'll not only quench your thirst, but also help your muscles recover faster. Section 5. Heart health and blood pressure. Watermelon can do wonders for your heart health too. Studies have shown that the lycopene in watermelon can help lower blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease. Watermelon also contains citrulline, an amino acid that our bodies convert to arginine. Arginine is essential for the production of nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels and improves blood flow. This means that watermelon can help improve circulation and reduce the workload on your heart, promoting overall cardiovascular health. Section 6. Surprising benefits for skin and eyes. Here's a fun fact. Watermelon is a natural beauty booster. The vitamin C in watermelon is essential for collagen production. Collagen is a protein that gives our skin its elasticity and youthful appearance. Additionally, the vitamin A in watermelon contributes to healthy vision. It protects our eyes from age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss. So by enjoying watermelon, you're not just nourishing your body from the inside out, but also enhancing your natural beauty. Section 7. Watermelon, a delicious way to health. We've explored the amazing health benefits of watermelon, from boosting immunity to promoting heart health. It's clear that this juicy fruit is more than just a summertime treat. It's a delicious and refreshing way to nourish our bodies and support overall well-being. Whether you enjoy it fresh, in a salad, or as a refreshing juice, there are countless ways to incorporate watermelon into your diet. Section 8. Fun facts about watermelon. Did you know that watermelon is technically both a fruit and a vegetable? It's a fruit because it grows from a flowering plant and has seeds. But it's also considered a vegetable because it belongs to the cucurbit family, which includes cucumbers and pumpkins. Here's another fun fact. The heaviest watermelon ever recorded weighed over 350 pounds. That's one heavy fruit, or vegetable. Section 9. Enjoy watermelon every day. So, there you have it. Watermelon is not only a delicious and refreshing treat, but also a nutritional powerhouse. From boosting our immune system to promoting heart health and enhancing our beauty, The benefits of watermelon are truly remarkable. I encourage you to make watermelon a part of your daily diet and experience the amazing health benefits for yourself. Your body will thank you for it.